Morning, everyone. Today we're going to look at solving formulas for a variable, also called solving literal equations. Okay, and so guys, these are formulas. They have more than one variable, and solving them for another variable um, is a practice we should be able to do here. So this first one, the formula for area of a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 h times the quantity b1 plus b2, where h represents height and b1 and b2 represent the measure of the bases. So we're going to solve this formula for b2. Okay, so if we look at the original equation, original formula, this is the variable we want to isolate. We're solving for it. We want that variable by itself. So we need to get rid of the 1/2 h and the b1. Okay. And so what is the 1/2 h doing to b2? Well, this would be a distributive property or multiplication. So to get rid of the 1/2 h, we need to get rid of the 1/2 and the h. Okay. Kind of going by step. To clear the fraction 1/2, we need to multiply by 2/1. If we multiply the right side by 2/1, we need to multiply the left side by 2/1. So now we would have 2a equals h b1 plus b2. As the h is multiplying by that entire quantity, so we can divide the entire quantity by h. As that leaves us with 2a over h equals b1 plus b2. Again, trying to isolate the b2 variable, we need to subtract b1 from both sides. That gives us 2a over h minus b1 equals b2, which is the formula it asks us to solve for. And so that b2 variable, that's isolated. So we're done. Okay. This next one, the formula for surface area of a cylinder is S equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. Solve the formula for h. Okay. So rewriting this here, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Trying to get h alone, because the first thing I would get rid of is this whole term, 2 pi r squared. That would be a number if we were plugging r's and everything in. So let's just subtract that 2 pi r squared from both sides. So now we've got s minus 2 pi r squared equals 2 pi r h. As the 2 pi and r, that's all multiplying by h, so we can divide by 2 pi r. Okay, it's going to cancel each of those in front of the h, leaving us just h on the right side. On the left side, we'll have s minus 2 pi r squared, and then it's all getting divided by 2 pi r. Okay, the variable h, we've solved for it. That is our solution. Okay, guys, 19 and 20, I'm going to leave those ones for you guys to practice. They come from the textbook, so 19 that in 1.3, that would have a solution or an answer in the back, not a solution. And then 20, guys, that's just a multiplying on that right side, so maybe that can help you out there. Okay, your homework for today, again, I've put a screen capture on Canvas for you all. I've also added some additional resources on Canvas for this, where they solve another equation or two on a video. And then Purple Math has a couple of examples where you can read through. It's not a video, so I know it's not as effective for some, but you can read through kind of how they solve some of these. So those additional resources are on Canvas as well. Hope to be back in the next day or two. We can review and get our quiz out of the way. All right, everyone have a great afternoon.